Your AirPods and EarPods will never fall out of your ears again with EarBuddyz 2.0. Engineered from ultra-premium silicone, EarBuddyz provide twice the comfort. Helps improve ambient noise isolation for your Apple AirPods and EarPods. Easy hassle-free installation. EarBuddyz must be removed to charge AirPods. Top reviews from the United States. IM rating 5 stars. I love these covers, they feel exactly like my Bose IE2, which are my favorite earbud. The hook, the cover, felt so nice in my ear. I love them. One issue. That damn charger case. AirPods will not charge with these on, which I didn't think would be a problem, but sadly it is. I trimmed the hook in hope they would at least work with the charger and I could still have the comfort, as the hard plastic hurts my ears. No luck. EarBudz is an amazing company with an amazing goal that updates their products as needed. I really hope they release a thin line version that works with the case. If they did, I would buy ASAP. Thank you for your read.